Hi, I'm Jennifer Podolsky. I'm with the Rogers County Master Gardeners, and I've helped coordinate the education program here in the county. We go out to schools, any school in the county that wants us, grades K, 1, and 2, and we have a curriculum that meets your needs of that grade level. So for kindergarten, we teach the needs of a plant and do some fun activities where they actually do plant some seeds and they keep a journal and watch them grow. In grade level 1, we do how they grow and the different parts of the plant. So they learn about the stem and the leaves and the roots and the flowers and then the function, so form and function of the plant. And in grade 2, what's my favorite, we do beneficial insects, and we teach about all the insects that plants need. And then we do an origami craft with them, and they walk away with either a honeybee or a ladybug. So we do those things, and we also do some outreach to daycares and Head Start. We will go help and work with your children there. All you need to do is contact us, and you can look us up via our website or contact a local Master Gardener. Today we're going to do a fun seed activity with the kids. We are going to read a book called The Reason for a Flower and discover about all different types of seeds. And then we're going to take that information and we're going to build a craft using sponges and toothpicks and maybe glue guns if the toothpicks don't work. Hey guys, thanks for coming out to the garden today. We're going to talk a little bit about seeds. We're surrounded by them, aren't we?
Yes.
Take a look around you. Yeah, because every flower usually produces a seed. So this is a story by Ruth Heller. It's The Reason for a Flower. The reason for a flower is to manufacture or to make seeds. They have a cover of one kind or another. Some grow inside a juicy fruit, and it's not odd to find them growing in a pod. The largest ones, a coconut. Did you know a coconut was a seed?
Nope, I heard.
No? So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do a little craft. You guys have heard of Chia Pets. They were around when I was little. Have you seen Chia Pets?
Yeah.
And they're made with chia seeds. So I brought some chia seeds, but I brought some other kind of seeds because I thought we could do a little experiment, see which one works the best. These are wheat berries, so they're gonna turn into
Berries?
wheat. So you can choose which one you put, or you can use all of them. And then we'll do, as you water them, you can see which one sprouts first, which one does the best. You can do a slow trickle. And the kids get to engineer any kind of shape they want. That's where the STEM activity comes into, science, technology, engineering, and math. And then they'll put seeds on the top and see which one sprouts. So a little bit of a science experiment here. And if the seeds around the outside that fall into the pie tin, if they will sprout at all. And we'll cover the entire pie tin with the dome. And so we'll have a little bit of a water cycle going on in there, and the sponges will stay moist and they won't have to water. So they'll get 2 lessons in one, seed sprouting and water cycle. So we talked about this a little bit before. What does this dome do?
Make it evaporate the water, and when it evaporates, it kind of rain down.
Okay, it'll rain down, yes, because as the water evaporates, it comes up and hits the top.
Yep.
This type of activity teaches kids about what seeds need to grow and sometimes what they don't need to grow. Most children think that seeds need the sun to grow, and we're actually doing an activity that doesn't even have any soil. So they're going to see that seeds are pretty hardy and they can grow under a lot of different conditions. This is a great activity to do at home. You can also do it with a small group of children. Sometimes using the sponges and cutting with scissors can be a little bit difficult for younger children, so you might want to have some pre-cut sponges for them. But older children shouldn't have any problems engineering and building whatever they want to, the heart's desire. Okay, so you guys know what these are? Yes, the Will Rogers zinnias. Yeah, find the old one. That's a new one. So Shelby found, see the old one? Okay, yeah, they're the seeds.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.